Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and today we're going to talk about Quail Con. That is right, we are having a quail convention for Quail Con 2022 on September 3rd and 4th of this year, and it will be held here at Myshire Farm in Miamisburg, Ohio, and I've got a lot of information to share with you. Last year we had a great time. The picture behind me is from Quail Con 2021. It is when Jim from MPIP was speaking about biosecurity and disease control, but we had a great time. We had a lot of great speakers, and this year we're going bigger and better than ever. So I'm very, very excited about it, and I've got a lot of information to share with you. So, first and foremost, Quail Con will be September 3rd and 4th here at Myshire Farm in Miamisburg, Ohio. It is hosted by Myshire Farm and Whiskey Tango Farms. And we'll start with the 3rd. So the 3rd is a Saturday, and gates will open at noon, and we'll close the gates at around 7 p.m. that night. It is going to be a very relaxed day this day. There won't be any speakers. We're going to do farm tours. We'll show off the Cooney pigs and the emus and the quail barn and all of Papa the Builder's projects that he's working on, this, that, and the other. We'll be doing a quail barn tour. We're going to have vendors, raffles, meet and greet with not just the speakers, but everybody else that's going to be here. We're going to have a bouncy house for the kids, a game area for the kids, fishing, face painting, and we're going to also have an expert panel section, and that is going to be other ways to be more self-sufficient. So for example, the bee guy Supply is going to be here talking about bees. We're going to be having someone from BYC here and more, which I will update later on. But there will be an expert panel of other things that you can get into to become more self-sufficient as well. So I'm very excited that we're adding that this year. We are going to have a butcher class starting at 5 p.m. And we're going to have a group dinner at 6 p.m. And that will include a quail and a couple of sides. We'll have a couple food trucks in case you don't want to do that. And you can also purchase the drinks there. That will be a separate charge as far as the dinner goes. We'll be supplying all that for you. But the tickets are going to be $40 for the 2-day event. That is per adult. Anyone that's 17 and under is free with an adult purchase. The dinner is going to be per person, including children. That is $10 a piece. And then there's something else that I'll mention in just a second. But like I said, we're going to have vendors, raffles, bouncy houses, face painting, games, food trucks, giveaways, and a lot more. And that is just Saturday, guys. So I'm very excited about it. So let's talk about Sunday real quick. Let me switch the page. Gates will open at 9 a.m. and we will go through until 5 p.m. The first speaker, it's mainly going to be speakers that day. The first speaker will start at 10 o'clock. They will each teach a class for 30 minutes, and then we'll have a small break. We'll have an hour lunch. We'll have three food trucks here so that the line keeps moving. And then we'll also have the meet and greet in between. And if you missed the tour, we'll do a quail barn tour and things like that. But the speakers will include Verna Young, which is a huge contributor to the quail community. She will be talking about quail basics and how to raise quail in a small, confined space. We're going to have Jenna Gregorick, which is the head of NPIP here in Ohio. She's going to talk about biosecurity. She's going to talk about disease control and how to keep your covey safe and happy and healthy. So I think that's going to be a great one. I did not get the name. We're still working on that, but we will have a PhD doctor here that is a nutritionist and feed expert in animals. And she's actually the one that actually customized and blended our feed here at Myshire Farm. She will be talking, she's from Klombach. She will be speaking as well. We are going to have Chris Carnes here from Slightly Redneck. Very excited about that. He'll be discussing self-sufficient use with quail and rabbits and answering any of your questions. We're going to be having George Aid, which is my right-hand man here at Myshire Farm. He'll be talking about the breeding program that we do here and tips and tricks on how to start your own breeding program, which is something we've never done before, so I'm very excited about that. Dale from Dale's Quails will be here, and he will be talking about how to build cages and what you need to think about on building your own cages or brooders. So I'm very excited about that. Whiskey Tango Farms is not just a co-sponsor and a co-host, but also going to be speaking about genetics. So that will be very exciting and interesting. And then unfortunately, you got me, guys. So I will be speaking, and the topic is undetermined. We will be actually getting your feedback to find out what you want me to speak about at Quail Con. But I will be speaking as well. The classes will start, like I said, at 10 a.m. with 30-minute talks. We'll have a small break and have the next person come up. We'll have an hour lunch break with 3 food trucks, like I mentioned. And then at 4:30, the last speaker will be finished, and we will do our final remarks. We'll do giveaways, which I will tell you later on about, and we will be announcing who won the raffles for that day. And again, the information center will be for Saturday, and I've got some big things planned, but not everything is confirmed on that, so I don't want to give too much away on that. But that is the basics of what's going to be happening at Quail Con 2022. I am very excited about it. A couple other things for you is there is a Facebook group called Quail Con 2022. You guys can chat together, ask questions, get together, get excited together, motivate each other, and things like that. We will be having some vendors, so if you would like to be a vendor, please reach out to me by 937-760-7282. My phone number is on the website. To purchase tickets, you will go to myshirefarm.com, and then you can either purchase the 2-day event ticket, which is $40 per person. Kids under 17 are free. The dinner is per person at $10 a piece. And then we're also going to have a camping section here. And the camping section will be pretty much a cow field that we'll have cleaned up and mowed and all that jazz. But if you want to camp out, it is only $30, and that will include Friday, Saturday, and Sunday for you. So we try to make that affordable. If you're going to look for a hotel, you would just want to look, our information is on the ticket description. Our address is there. You'll just type that in, hotels near there, and that will give you plenty of options for you. And then every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I go live for a live Q&A, but I will be updating and giving you more announcements as time goes on. We are about 8 months out, but we sold out fairly quickly in about 2 months last year, so we wanted to get a jump start on this. We have increased tickets to 400 tickets this year, but believe me, I really do believe that they will go quickly. So I hope you get your tickets soon. If you have any questions, I'm available. My contact information is on our website. All of this information and this video is on our website as well under the description of Quail Con tickets. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and let me know. And again, every Sunday, 7 p.m., I go live. You can ask me there as well. If you want to be a vendor, please feel free to reach out. We will not be doing sponsors this year. If you would like to donate, we would greatly appreciate it. And you can do so either by contacting me and I'll get you taken care of that way. And or every Sunday or Monday, I go live and you can donate on the channel. But we would appreciate the donations. We will be putting that right back into Quail Con for giveaways and raffles. And a couple other things that we got to take care of. So the tickets are pretty much breaking us even, but I'm expecting some generous donations like we had last year, and we're going to go bigger and better. So I'm very excited about it. I hope you are as well. If you are, comment below and let me know what you think. If you were at our Quail Con 2021 last year, comment below and let everybody know how awesome it was and how much fun we had. And I hope to see you there. We'll see you guys. Thanks.